Hey, what's going on, everyone? Mike here in the BFH Garage, and today is a buyer beware video. I found out the hard way one time about buying car parts off Amazon. Actually, I got my money back, so it wasn't that big of a deal, but it certainly was inconvenient. I went and bought Spicer brand ball joints. They came in a plain box, not looking like Spicer ball joints at all. They're aftermarket. Somebody's trying to make money on a brand name and giving you junk. So I returned them, got my money back, no problem there. However, now I have a guy who brought in a 2013 JK that is looking to get it re-geared, wants to put in some Eaton True Tracks, and not a big deal, right? So he bought his True Tracks off of Amazon, did his research, thought he had the right part numbers. In fact, one of them he did have the right part number, the other one he didn't. But anyway, gets the boxes, they sit for several months, finally comes over to do the re-gear, and come to find out both of these True Tracks are in fact the wrong part number. Now, this one here, he ordered the correct part number. They sent him a different part number. So that's part of the problem. Ring gear here doesn't even go over the top. And the other one here, he has the right application for a Data 44, but this particular True Track is not for use with thick cut gear. So both of these True Tracks are not usable on this re-gear. So I have to button it back up, send him on his way, and when he gets the right parts, we'll do that re-gear at a later date. Just let this be a lesson. If you're going to shop on Amazon, you need to be 100% certain you're dealing with a reputable store, not some random third-party seller, because there's so many people out there that try to make money on unsuspecting customers. And the reason people call it Scamazon. So just be aware of that. The other lesson here is when you get your parts delivered, immediately open the boxes, verify your part numbers, verify the application use, and it's exactly what you want. I say double, triple check that, because once you go outside of that return policy, then you're going to be stuck with a couple paperweights until you can sell them. So hopefully this video brings some awareness to you, and you'll have luck with your future purchases.